Warning, this content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right, next question here from Christopher E. How do you incorporate berberine throughout the year? You've mentioned using it on high carb days during a cut. Are there other ideal use cases? So here's the concern with long-term berberine use. Berberine is a very strong antimicrobial. In berberine, long-term berberine use can, from what I understand, can really fuck up your gut microbiome. I was using berberine every day. Here's your bingo card. You can punch it. I'm a type 1B diabetic, and I want to make sure that I am maintaining insulin signaling and insulin sensitivity to a highest degree possible. And I was running berberine every day, and I was giving myself diarrhea after a while. And so that's why I limited it to just high days. So that is a concern with berberine, is how it affects your gut and gut microbiome. It seems like long-term berberine use can really fuck up the balance of flora in your gut. So that's something to be concerned about. I think a lot of people are overdoing supplements. I'm not trying to dissuade people from using berberine. If it helps you, it seems to work better for you than metformin, by all means go for it. But I think berberine's highly effective. I've seen some pretty significant results from people using berberine, but that's why I limited to just my high days, because it was fucking up my stomach. And I already have stomach issues to begin with, and anything that's going to make digestion worse. I think this is something that people, and this is another nuanced thing, if a supplement you take makes your digestion worse, if it makes your stomach upset, if it affects you negatively, even with some of the additional benefits that you get from it, maybe it ain't worth using. Maybe consider yanking it out of your protocol. If you can tolerate it well, then by all means, go for it. I'm not trying to put out scare tactics and keep people away from using it, but it's something to be aware of and something to consider and something to think about. Research it, think about it before you start deploying berberine daily. I like the strategy of running it just on my high days. It seems to help keep blood sugar a little bit lower on my high days. I've had good success with doing it that way.